Hey guys, welcome back. Nowadays, many Android users are switching to iOS device and many others to Android. But they don't know how to transfer their files between Android and iOS. So in this video, I'm going to introduce an application which will help you to transfer your data between Android and iOS. So let's begin. I'm Shihab. You're watching Mr. Shihab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer data from your iOS to Android and then Android to iOS in two different methods. And this is how the app interface looks like on both Android and iOS. From this app, you can share photos, videos, contacts, audios and many more to same or other OS devices. I have already made a video on this topic using another useful app. To know that app, the link is in description. Go and watch that video. And when you select any of your files to share, it shows its size and it's a pretty good thing. And then send. In transfer process, you get two different options. Enter 6-digit key or scan QR code to send. Click receive in your other phone, and the main thing, both devices should be connected to internet during this process. And now just enter 6-digit key shown on your other phone and tap receive. The receive process completed. In this way, you can share your documents or any other files between iPhone and Android. And received photos, videos will be saved automatically to the gallery or photos. Also, you can change manually by going to the app settings. And the second method, share using QR code. And there is no any extra features in this app on Android or iPhone, which is on iPhone, that's all in Android. When you select a photo, it shows its size on your Android device also. Then click on send. Now select receive in your iPhone and tap on small QR code symbol on your iPhone. Then scan it. And this is how the app works. It's very easy, and the app send anywhere you can find on App Store for iPhone and in Play Store for Android. You can use this app just now how I shown. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Share this useful video to your friends and family. See you on the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.